Just one other thing I dare. Lights are out and there's time to your embrace. There's another dare. Lights are out and there's sweat on your embrace. Just one other thing I dare. Lights are out and there's time to your embrace.
The following message is transmitted by the request of the Los Angeles Police Department. A creature was found roaming around Los Angeles, California. This creature is a purple Tyrannosaurus Rex named Barney. Barney is like the character Barney the dinosaur from the hit entertainment show Barney and Friends. Except he has red eyes and a demonic voice. This creature is extremely dangerous as he was first spotted in King County, killing anyone he sees along with breaking into people's homes, abducting children, releasing nuclear bombs anywhere of his choice, spreading a contagious disease to make anyone who gets infected have a coyote-like behavior, and most recently, releasing evil dogs that include the following: red fur and eyes, body mutation, and open cuts around their body. These evil dogs were reported to harvest anyone in their path along with their own kind. The virus was also reported to be spread in Wyandotte County, Kansas and Missouri. This figure was also reported to do the same things while he was in the California area. Take the following actions: seek shelter and pack 14 days worth of food, water, clothing, medical supplies, a flashlight, and a battery-powered radio for more updates on this situation. The following message is transmitted by the request of the Los Angeles Police Department. Barney is now starting to become too violent in the area for anyone to live there at this time. In addition, a nuclear bomb is about to explode in the next 30 minutes, if Barney's demands are not met. Evacuate the Los Angeles area now. Pack 14 days of food, water, clothing, medical supplies, a flashlight, and a battery-powered radio for your evacuation. Follow evacuation routes. If you have a relative that is not in the Los Angeles area, go to their place. And most of all, do not panic. Panicking will only make the situation worse. Evacuate the area now.